Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make sticker on TikTok. Simply just open your TikTok. Okay, and you just select a video, like I'm select this video. Press on to share option. Swipe right to left side. You get create sticker option. Press on to create sticker. Okay, and select the video frame. If you want to add text or crop over a set, press on next. Okay, and let's make it private. Click on create sticker. And you just send it to friend, to send any friend. Okay, now successfully create this. Now create sticker and send my conversation. That's it.